Shelbert is a little red engine who works with the Dream Fleet. He's a dream hauler, the top engines of the company in charge of pulling trains the company is assigned to. Shelbert is friendly and orderly, but after a derailment on the Dream Fleet's old railway, he does tend to be a little too cautious for his own good. And sometimes that can get him into trouble. This story begins early one morning in the Dream Fleet yard, where a certain snooty diesel's breakdown had just put the little red engine on a special job.
Rise and shine, Dream Team. We've got a schedule to keep up today. First up, Tracy. I need you to get Rusty's first train ready for the day.
On it, boss.
Rusty, you'll be taking tools and equipment down to track 4 to Bluesburg West.
Will do, Tower.
Now, Shelbert, you're on track 1 with Farnsworth's usual. Where's Shelbert?
All set to go on my big job.
Boy, and I thought Tracy got up early. You had to have been up at first light.
But it's been ages since I last took a passenger train. Safety first, as they say.
Beware, take care.
Or like he says, see you later, everyone.
Take it easy out there. Now then, Humphrey, you've got a load of apples and pears to take up to the docks.
Hey, mind the speed, racer. My frames are still wobbling from tagging along with Tracy's express mail the other day, you know.
But look at us, Patrick. Bright and busy workers on the passenger line. We're unbreakable. We're unstoppable. We're the proud local over the mountain.
Well. If it isn't old engine 35. No wonder we have to slow down.
Trust the claptrap steam engine to be out and about on a tramp.
Hey, what'd you say about me?
Not you. Not you.
Hey, Shelley, you okay up there?
I'm sorry. I'm still rattled by that derailment we had a while back. The last thing I'd want for my passengers is any kind of risk.
Oh, I'm sure you'll be fine. You know the whole I think I can thing, Tracy, until you do? Maybe you should try that.
Well, I can make sure our passengers are safe. You know what Montana says. Beware, take care. I just have to make sure this trip is extra safe for me and other traffic. Hey, you! Can you check my first coach? I thought I felt a rattle from one of the wheels.
Oh, boy, here we go.
Phew! Just by blowout. Watch for the buckle. Dampening smoke for train above.
You'd better. I've got an important and priceless train behind me. Oh, jeez, this is embarrassing.
But that was nothing compared to what was waiting at Colville. Colville had passengers and workers ready to go home or head to work. And it was a bit hard to do so when, well, the train was running a little bit behind schedule.
So, any plans for the weekend?
Oh,
I thought I'd take a holiday to Bamba. Got me brother's villa for the weekend, so gonna take some of me mates along for it. Oh, let me know if you got room. I might be able to take our shift off for the weekend.
Finally made it. And with 10 minutes behind schedule.
You took a long time getting here. You'll really need to catch up if you're to get back in time.
Oh no! Tower won't be happy to hear about this.
Hey, what's the trouble there, Shelbert?
Oh, Montana, I've been trying to beware and take care all along my journey, but all I've done is delay my train and upset my passengers.
Well, Shelbert, I think you got the wrong coupler. See, when I say beware and take care, I don't mean stop and check every little bump on the tracks. I mean, be aware of what you do. Not jumping into silly situations, if you know what I mean. It's good to be as safe as you can be, but you still got other things to do, too.
Wow, Montana, that's some good advice.
Alrighty, we've got our high-quality moral for the ride, so let's get moving, people. Don't want to be late for my joint oiling back at home.
Oh, right. Better be off then. So long, Montana. Thanks for everything.
Stay safe, Shelbert.
you're not sure how to get there, well, never worry, a friend can give you lots of great information and show you easy ways to find your destination. Just ask, just ask, just ask a friend. They'd love to help you find your way around the bed. Don't be shy, don't be shy. Ask again and again. You'll get the answer, just ask a friend. There's always things that we don't know, we're learning every day. It's totally cool to say, I need some help. Your friends will help you find your way. Just ask, just ask, just ask a friend. They'd love to help you find your way around the bend. Don't be shy, don't be shy. Ask again and again. You'll get the answer, just ask a friend.
Wow, we've made great time now that I've been moving more up to speed. Just through this last ridge and we're in the slowing down and switching.
Oh, now what?
It's not me. There was a warning for rockfall, and the points moved me over to Leaping Link Springs.
What are you looking at, Safety Stack?
What happened to you two?
Well, somebody didn't tell me there was a rock slide warning on the tracks.
Hey, don't look at me. You kept pushing ahead and didn't stop me.
Don't worry, Shell. Can you go on the next station if you can?
Sure thing, Belle. Well, wouldn't you know it, sometimes it does pay to watch out for the little things, even if you need to keep yourself on schedule.
I don't want to hear it.
It's gonna be okay. Knock, knock, hey. Down in the bay, knock, knock, hey. It's gonna be okay. Now feel the rhythm, time to get up and dance. Alright. You'll feel much better if you give it a chance. It's true. So true. Just true. Just feel the groove. Feel it. With a little bit of magic and a twist or a twirl, we can brighten up our day. We can brighten our world. You'll feel brand new.
And I'll forget what's been troubling me.
So put your boots on.